Pancakes, light, airy, and oh so delicious. Is there anything better than a stack of fluffy pancakes on a lazy weekend morning? They're like little clouds on a plate, just begging for butter and syrup. The best part? They're surprisingly easy to make. Forget the box mixes. We're going homemade and it'll only take 50 seconds. Let's get cooking. Before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. It's important to have everything ready before we start, so we can focus on creating the perfect pancakes. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple. You don't need any fancy equipment or exotic ingredients. You'll need flour, the base of our fluffy creations. Make sure to use all-purpose flour for the best texture. Sugar, for a touch of sweetness. Just a little bit to enhance the flavor without overpowering it. Baking powder, the secret to airy perfection. This will help our pancakes rise and become light and fluffy. Salt, just a pinch to balance the flavors. It might seem like a small amount, but it makes a big difference. Milk, to bring it all together. Whole milk works best, but you can use any type you prefer. Eggs, for richness and binding. They add structure and moisture to our batter. And melted butter, for that irresistible flavor and golden hue. It also helps to keep the pancakes from sticking to the pan. See? Simple, everyday ingredients that are probably already in your pantry. With these basics, you're well on your way to making delicious pancakes that everyone will love. Let's get started. Now let's get mixing. This is where the magic begins. Grab your whisk and mixing bowl, and let's dive into the world of fluffy perfection. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. These dry ingredients form the foundation of our batter, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Make sure there are no lumps. A smooth mixture will help create a consistent texture in our pancakes. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, and melted butter. These wet ingredients add richness and moisture, making our pancakes tender and delicious. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. The key here is to mix gently to avoid overworking the batter. Don't overmix. A few lumps are okay. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough, so it's better to leave a few lumps in the batter. Heat a lightly greased griddle or skillet over medium heat. This ensures even cooking and prevents the pancakes from sticking. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake. This size is perfect for even cooking and easy flipping. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. You'll know they're ready to flip when bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Enjoy your fluffy golden pancakes. Section 4. Secrets of the extra fluffy tips and tricks. In this section, we will uncover some of the best-kept secrets to making your pancakes not just fluffy, but extra fluffy. These tips and tricks will elevate your pancake game to a whole new level. Want to take your pancakes from fluffy to extra fluffy? It's easier than you think, and it all starts with the batter. Here's the secret. Don't overmix the batter. When you mix the batter too much, you activate the gluten in the flour. Overmixing develops the gluten in the flour, which can make your pancakes tough. Instead, mix just until the ingredients are combined. A few lumps are totally fine. In fact, they are a good sign that you haven't overmixed. Another tip. Let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes before cooking. This resting period is crucial. This allows the gluten to relax, resulting in even fluffier pancakes. The rest time also lets the flour fully hydrate, which improves the texture. And finally, for the ultimate fluffy pancake experience, separate the egg whites and beat them until stiff peaks form. This step adds air to the batter. Gently fold the egg whites into the batter just before cooking. Be careful not to deflate the egg whites as you fold them in. This will give your pancakes an airy, light texture that is simply irresistible. Section 5. Conclusion, the sweet symphony of flavor. And there you have it, fluffy golden brown pancakes in just a few easy steps. Top them with your favorite toppings, butter, syrup, fruit, whipped cream. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy the sweet symphony of flavor with every bite.